Okay, I'm Aaron, and now outside is have a heavy rain. Oh my god. Here have a lot of things. It have a heavy rain. What is all heavy water? I can't even see the road in front of me.